Good morning, student. Myself Gadak sir from Sram Shakti Vidyaniketan Mandar School. Okay. So, friends, we are learning math subject for the fifth standard. So, up to the last lecture, we have seen what is the rule or by which way we can add the numbers. And for the fifth standard, we have to learn how to add 6 and 7 digit number. That means up to the last year, that is up to the fourth standard, you have learned how to add and how to subtract up to the 5 digit number. Okay. That means you have learned the vertical and horizontal addition of the up to the 5 digit number. Okay. So into the fifth standard, we have to learn the addition and subtraction of the 6 digit number and 7 digit number, because into the last lecture, that is into the last chapter, into the second chapter, we have learned how to read and how to write the 6 digit number and 7 digit number also. So according to that, into the last lecture, we have seen the addition of 6 digit and 6 digit number. That means both the numbers are 6 digit numbers. Then next example, we have seen that how to add 7 digit number and 7 digit number also. Okay. And after that, we have taken one more example that can take addition of 7 digit number and 6 digit number also. Okay. That means we can add 6 digit number and 6 digit number. We can also add 7 digit number and 7 digit number, or we can add 6 digit and 7 digit, or 7 digit and 6 digit numbers. Okay. So that we have seen up to the last lecture. Now in the last lecture, we have seen the vertical addition of the given 6 or 7 digit number. But into the today's lecture, we have to see how to add the number which are given in horizontal arrangement. Okay. So for that purpose, we will take some examples related to the horizontal addition of the given numbers. That example of the addition may contain carryover, but the arrangement of the numbers are in horizontal way. Now that is not into the vertical way. Okay. So in your book, on page number suppose on page number 10. Okay. Firstly we will take one example and then we will move toward that page. Okay. So suppose I have to add 6 digit number and 6 digit number. Okay. Or for example we will take 3 digit number and 3 digit number. So question is like that. Add 459 plus 698. Okay. So all of you get the idea that example is given addition. Add. What we have to do? Add, and two numbers we have to add. Now that both the numbers have how many digits? 3 digits. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That means you have to add 3 digit number into the 3 digit number also. So if I want to write that example into the horizontal vertical way, for that purpose how I will write? 559 plus 698, like that. Then there will be the carry. Okay. And then I can add the given numbers. But that examples are now given into the horizontal. Okay, that means you have to add 459 into the 698. That is the horizontal arrangement and that is the vertical arrangement of the problem. Now we have to solve that example. Okay. Though the example is given into the horizontal arrangement, you can arrange that example into the vertical way also. Okay. Now what I have done? I have written that 459 plus 698. That means I have taken the vertical arrangement of the example. Now simply I can add the numbers. So 9 plus 8 is 17. Okay. 1 is carry. So I have given carry to the next number. Next number is 5. So 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 plus 1 is carry. So 15. So I will write 5 here. Again I will give 1 is carry to the next number. Now 6 plus 4 plus 6 is 10. And 1 is carry. So 10 plus 1 is 11. So if I want to read the number, I will use the comma after the 100 place. 1, 2, 3, 100. And this one is 1000. So what is the answer of our question or of our example? 1157. 1157 is the answer. Okay. Now I have solved that example by vertical arrangement. Okay. Though the example is given in horizontal arrangement, I have taken that horizontal arrangement into the vertical way and then I have solved that. But now, if I want to solve that example into the horizontal way, how I will solve? Suppose that is the given example. Now I don't want to take that into the vertical arrangement. I want to solve that example into the horizontal arrangement. Then how I will solve? For that purpose, you have to add that unit place and unit place, then tens place and ten place, then 100 place and 100 place. Okay. Now I will start from which place you have to start? From unit or larger place? Obviously from the base. So base is unit. So I will add that unit and unit. Here 8 is at the place of unit and here 9 is at the place of unit. So 8 plus 9 is 17. So 7 I will write here. But out of 17, I will write 7 here and 1 is carry. And carry I will give to the next number. So next place is tens. Here is the tens, here is the tens. Here is 9 at the place of tens and here is 5 at the place of tens. So 9 plus 5 is 14 and that one is 10. So 14 plus 1 is 15. Now again I will give 1 is carry. Okay. Now next after the tens which place will come? 100. So here is 100 and here is 100. So here is 6 and here is 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10 and 10 plus 1 is 10. So 10 plus 1 is 11. Now if I want to read the number, I will give the comma 1157. That means you will get the same answer of the addition of the number by vertical arrangement. Vertical arrangement or by the horizontal arrangement. Horizontal arrangement. Okay. Now I think all of you get the proper idea about how to add the given number into the horizontal way or how to add the given number into the vertical way. Now I think all of you are able to add the number in both the ways, horizontal or vertical. You will get the same answer by both the arrangement. Either you can add by the horizontal or you can add by the vertical arrangement, but you will get the same answer at the last. Okay. So that is the example which will be related to the horizontal and vertical arrangement of the addition. Now from your book we will take one example. Okay. So in your book on page number 10 there are some questions. So that questions are given into the horizontal arrangement. Okay. But they have solved the example by taking the vertical arrangement of the given numbers. Okay. Here also same. Now here is the numbers which are given in horizontal arrangement, but they have solved into the vertical way. So that for example you can solve that solved example are given into your book. So you have to write the same questions into your notebook also. So from next page, that is page number 11, there is one problem set 8. So into the problem set there is a question add. What is the question? Add. That means you have to add the numbers. Okay. So there are total 10 questions. So out of that 10 examples, we will take any example. So we will take fifth number example. Okay. So up to the fourth number, there are two number you have to add. But into the fifth number examples, you have to add three numbers. So we will take fifth number example directly. Okay, that 4 example you can solve at home. Now we will take fifth number example. What is the fifth number example? Add 2654 plus 71209 plus 503 789. Now that is the question. What is the question? Add. An example is like that. You have to add three numbers. This is first, second, and third numbers. Okay. So this first number contain how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means that is 4 digit number. Now this number, second number contain how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Here is a 4 digit. Here are 5 digits. Now last number contain how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. That means all the numbers contains different digits. Okay. First number contain 4 digits. Second number contain 5 digits. And third number contains 6 digits. That means 4 digits means which is the largest place? 1000. You need tens, 100, 1000. Then into the 5 digit number, which is the largest place? You need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay. And into the 6 digit number, you need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. After the 10,000, which place will come? Lakh. After the lakh, 10 lakh. That means which is the highest place that occurs into the example? That is the lakh. That means which is the larger number out of that three numbers? Obviously that number, because that number contain maximum digit. So firstly, which number you have to write? You can write bigger number, then smaller number and smaller number, or simply you can add any number into the any number. So up to the how many digit I have to take the addition? Up to the 6 digit. So first number is like that. So here I will write first. I will make the column. Now that is the horizontal arrangement of the addition. But I am going to solve that example by the vertical arrangement because that is a simple one. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Which are the maximum digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now here I will write the places. Here is you need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay. That means I have taken all the digits. Now first number I will write. Now which is the maximum digit? You need tens, 100, 1000. So at the place of 1000 I will write 2, 6, 5, 4. That is the first number. Then I have to add next number. Which is the maximum digit? You need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. That means I have to write that 7 into the 10,000. So I will write 7, 1, 2, 0, 9. Now our last number. That last number contains you need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So I will start writing the number from the lakh. Okay. So 5, 0, 3, 7, 8, 9, like that. Now what you have to do? You have to simply add the number. Okay. So simple addition. Now this becomes simple addition. I will make one row for the carry over. Okay. So 5 plus 4 is 4 plus 9 is 30. 30 plus again 9 is there. 9, 13 plus 9, what is the answer? 13 plus 9, answer is 22. So out of the 22, I will write that 2 here, and that 2 is carry for the next number. So I will write here. So again 5 plus 0, obviously 5, and 5 plus 8, that is 13, and that 2 is carry, that means 13 plus 2. Now answer become 15. Okay. So out of that 15, I will write 5 here, and that 1 here goes to the carry for the next number. So I will write 1. Now 6 plus 2, that is 8, and 8 plus again 7. So answer is 15. 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 plus 7 is 15. Now 15 plus 1 is carry, that is 16. Okay. That 6 I will write here, and 1 goes to the carry to the next number. Okay. Now 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 plus 3 is 6, and 1 is carry. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Now here into the this column, here is no number is there. Okay, that means which is the number? Obviously 0, but no need to write that 0. That means we have to consider if there is no any number, that means there is always 0. So 0 plus 7 is 7, and 7 plus again 0. Answer will be the 7. And here is no number means 0. Here also not a number, that means 0. That means both 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. But no need to write that. Okay. Now 5, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. That means my addition is over. Now if I want to read the number, I will give the commas. So first comma I will give after the 100, and next comma I will give the 2 digits. So 1000. And 10,000, here I will use the comma. After the 10,000, which place will come? Lakh. So 5 lakh, that 5 lakh 77,652 is the answer. Okay. All of you understand how to add the number which contains different digits. Okay. That number, how many numbers we have added here? 3 numbers. And all the 3 numbers contains different digits. First number contains 4 digits, second 5 digits, and third number contains 6 digits. That means you have to find out into the example which is the maximum digit. Now you can take the places and then you can write the number. How you will write the number? You will find the maximum place, and from that you are going to write the number. Here maximum place is 1000 and 10,000. So I will write that 7 into the 10,000 and then next number. Now here is maximum place lakh. So I am going to write that 5 at the place of lakh, and then I will write the next number. And after that simply you have to simply add the number. Okay, that is the addition. Okay. So that is the examples for the addition of the number which contains a different digit and addition of 3 numbers. Okay. So remaining examples from problem set 8 you have to solve at the home. Okay, thank you friends.